So, you want to get a chair? School time. We are going to unbox this. It's something that came from my classroom, and you know what it is, right? Shh, don't tell anybody. It's going to be a surprise. So, you ready to open this? Yeah. Alright, well, we need scissors.
Okay.
Okay. Green scissors, good choice.
Green and black.
You want to do it? Cut over here. Go like this. Slice it. Yeah, like this. You go like this. Keep going. Good job. And that's all you need to do. Then you can lift it. Now we have one of these at home, right?
Same one.
Same one? So we have one of these vacuum cleaners at home that we use. So I love it so much that I wanted one for the classroom too. Nice. A lithium battery, so it's rechargeable, and it's also portable so that we could go around the classroom and vacuum and pick up crumbs and art supplies and stuff like that. That was super loud. Alright, so let's unbox this.
2 at a time.
Alright, can you help me with this?
This would be awesome if I did 4 at a time.
Charging station. Get the rest.
Ouch!
You okay? Oh, no blood, that's good.
Okay, this is heavy.
Very good. Very good. Alright, so here's the base, and we attach it like this, right? Simple as that. Put on this charging dock. So nice and new. Ours is all dirty, huh? Okay. Nice. Do you think the battery works right now?
No.
Or do you think we have to charge it?
Charge it.
Try turning it on, see if it works. It does work. Let's try it out. Oh look, there's some junk. Yay! Alright, what else? Oh, here's some junk.
Here's junk.
That's not junk. Ooh, here's some junk.
Here's some junk. Junk.
That's not junk. Okay, there's going to be a special spot that we put this charger, so can you grab that? Bring it over here. It's going to be under the sink here. I even cleared a little spot for it, so it's perfect. Go ahead and put the charger right there. And I'm not going to be able to charge it down here, but this is where it'll be kept while we are not using it. And then the students can come in and grab it. Perfect. Fits nicely. They can grab it when they need to clean up.
Why did you need a toothbrush in here?
That's just extra if I need to clean something. Yep. Nice. Alright. So thanks for watching this unboxing video of the vacuum cleaner. Yeah. And hopefully it will be put to some good use this year. Huh? Right? Alright. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh, I forgot something. We need to put a label on it. Yes.
a label. Oh,
For a label maker.
yeah.
This is the most important part.
Did you do that?
I did that, yeah. Font, size, width. Okay, backspace. Do you want to type Riedl?
R-I-E-D-L.
Good. Now print.
Print.
Here it comes. Whoa!
You even printed it.
All right, now push this
yourself.
button.
You put it.
Push hard. Good. There we go. We'll put it on the side here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot.
All right. All ready to go. You like that thing, don't you?